Runtime error on Windows trying Python multiprocessing. I am trying my very first formal Python program using threading and multiprocessing on a Windows machine. I am unable to launch the processes though, with Python giving the following message. The thing is, I am not launching my threads in the main module. The threads are handled in a separate module inside a class. Edit. By the way, this code runs fine on Ubuntu. Not quite on Windows. My original code is pretty long, but I was able to reproduce the error in an abridged version of the code. It is split in two files. The first is the main module and does very little other than import the module which handles processes or threads and calls a method. The second module is where the meat of the code is. Testmain.py. Parallel test module.py.
On Windows, the subprocesses will import, i.e. execute, the main module at start. You need to insert an if underscore underscore name underscore underscore equals equals underscore underscore main underscore underscore column guard in the main module to avoid creating subprocesses recursively. Modified testmain.py.
Try putting your code inside a main function in testmain.py. See the docs, which say, make sure that the main module can be safely imported by a new Python interpreter without causing unintended side effects, such as starting a new process. By using if underscore underscore name underscore underscore equals equals underscore underscore main underscore underscore.
Though the earlier answers are correct, there's a small complication it would help to remark on. In case your main module imports another module in which global variables or class member variables are defined and initialized to, or using some new objects, you may have to condition that import in the same way.
Hello, here is my structure for multiprocess. You don't have to put imports in the if underscore underscore name underscore underscore equals equals underscore underscore main underscore underscore column. Just running the program you wish to running inside.
As it often said, when you are using another libraries or modules, you should import all of them inside the if underscore underscore name underscore underscore equals equals underscore underscore main underscore underscore column. So, in my case, ended like this.
want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.